Welcome to Neurobot. In this video, we will introduce how to generate product defect images for manufacturing via the Neurobot platform. In traditional manufacturing, the challenge often lies in obtaining enough defective samples to effectively train machine learning models for accurate detection. Synthetic data enables manufacturers to build extensive and diverse datasets that are truly representative of real-world scenarios, leading to the development of highly accurate defect detection models. Moreover, image synthesis can generate data for rare defects that are difficult to capture in real-world settings, providing a comprehensive training ground for AI models, enhance the robustness and adaptability of defect detection systems. Without further ado, let's go to the website. We will first log into our account, create a model, and name a workflow. Upload an image. I choose an image of a sheet metal part of a car with defects. We will extract the defective features we want to generate on this image. It's incredibly important. Then add a label and name this label. Confirm. We can use the drag and drop tool to zoom in and pan the image to find the defect area we want to label. By adding the vertices of these polygons, we can label the defective features we want to generate. Labeling this step is also very important and requires a little patience. We can add enough points to ensure that we label the feature details of the area is fine enough, rich enough detail. Finally, put the labeled area into a closed polygon. This one image on the labeling is complete. Now open the second image, that is the second reference, and then add a label and labeling. Repeat the same steps. This step must have patience and careful. Okay, open the third reference. Again, let's add another label. Label a small crack. No matter how many crack features you want to generate, you can add a label and label. There is another one. Next, upload the background image of the defect we want to generate. Click on background, upload image, upload. Note that there are some formatting and size requirements for the background image. Please make sure you understand them. You can see that I uploaded 3 images of sheet metal parts without defects. You can see that in the list of labels. Zoom in on the picture. Select the area where you want to generate the defects. And once again, through the labeling tool, circle the range of defects that you want to generate. What you need to pay attention to here is that the shape of the labeled range needs to be consistent with the shape of defects that you want to generate, or similar. Then label the other 2 background images. You can see that the labeling is completed after the background images will have a labeled label, prompting us which background images have been labeled, which is not yet. Well, when the defects and the labeling of the background image are complete, just click Generate and then wait a few moments. We can see in real time how long it will take. In this step, there will also be a progress bar to indicate that you are now working on the progress of. Well, you can see now with defects in the image has been generated. There is also a button on the synthesis before and after the effect of comparison, show, turn off. The second image, the third image, you can see that it can batch, synthesize more data. How about the effect of the synthesized image? This is a simple case. We will bring you more interesting cases to share. You are welcome to use our Neurobot. Try it yourself. You will find how powerful it is. Thank you. Bye.